So the new team, they did a very deep dive and took a look at all of the cost. Medyo mahirap po kasi nga ayaw basta-basta't magbigay ng cost yung iba or ayaw magpa-quote and everything. So basically, so we're using para to avoid arguments and debates, no? We're going to use two terms, project total building cost, and the other one is, so the project cost estimate means the whole project kasama lupa, kasi kasama sa project yon. The building cost is only the cost nung yung building alone. So pasensya ka na, projected total building cost to. So meron din lang yung project total cost, di ba? So ito total nung building, hindi kasama yung lupa dyan. Okay? The project total cost estimate is 33 billion if you include the furnitures and the land. The cost estimate to complete the building is based on all information we have to date without any design changes. Because I will have to consult all 23 senators doon sa design. No? When Senator Nancy walked in before that, I was going to show you kasi yung session hall design nung dati. It's absolutely beautiful. But in terms of functionality, for example, nawala yung upuan ng staff sa tabi. No? So the senators would have been far from any staff. So whether budget hearing and or ordinary legislation, walang access sa kanyang, whether it's the departments or the resource persons or the staff. No? So just to show you na meron talagang titignan sa designs, no? The cost estimate to complete the building were updated with 2024 prices and comes from various sources, suppliers, consultants, aside from what DPWH have given. We only added the perimeter fence and testing commissioning on the whole building. So I was supposed to see the Senate President before seeing you, but meron pala kayong 2 o'clock, so I'll rush, no? And I don't wanna take up yung reservation ni Senator Risa. But when Senator Cheese initially looked at all the plans, no, yung perimeter fence, medyo nag-alala kami kasi kahit ano sabihin mo, security is a factor, di ba? And then yung testing and commissioning, what this means is that when everything is done, before the turnover, magkakaroon ng testing and commissioning just to make sure everything works, di ba? The lights, the cameras, the elevators, maganda yung garden, di ba, yung walks, yung PWDs, hindi nahihirapan umakyat, that the designs were followed, no? So medyo standard naman yun sa industriya, no? There are still matters that are subject to further evaluation, value engineering, looking for less expensive options. So ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, no? So yung pinapakita ko sa inyong cost, apples to apples, di ba? Kung nasunod yung RDAED, by the 2 previous chairpersons, Senator Lacson and Senator Nancy, at present prices, iyan yon. No judgment. This is just a factual kung magkano yung presyo ngayon. So we're going to look at the options, kasi for example, yung tinatawag nilang sun baffles, di ba? So we showed you 2 options, but hindi sinabi sa akin during the hearing, kaya nga nagalit ako during the time nung when I walked in here once, di ba, na sinabi ko sa inyo, daming tinatago di ba? So when we had the DPWH, sinabi ko kay Secretary, may third option pala na may sulat pala sa opisina mo na kino-costing nyo na, di ba? So, imagine niyo, di ba, I'm doing my work, just trying to get all the documents, trying to get the cost. Pinag-uusapan natin 2 options, hindi pala yun yung updated, di ba? Para ko kayong ina-update sa news, ina-update ko kayo sa news kahapon, hindi sa news today. No? So, finally nga, yung sulat ni DPWH, I think, set things right. So, the last point I want to make is that it's only now that we have a timeline and overall project cost. But hindi acceptable yung timeline na 3 to 4 years at hindi rin acceptable kay Senate President at sa akin yung 31.6B na building cost or 33 billion na project cost. So what we're going to do also para mas mabilis, we're going to put up a new Senate Coordinating Committee kasi nga masyadong maraming red tape, too many people, too many levels. But we're asking the DPWH to mirror yung gagawin namin. Kasi paikot-ikot din sa iba't ibang ano sa kanila, no? Last slide, yun. So, okay, so questions, no? 31 is the building alone. 33 yung lupa, furniture, and yung... I'll give you, ipopost nila dun sa groups yung kopya kopya nung presentation. So it's on, what page is that?
Sir, kung hindi acceptable yung 48 months, ano sa tingin niyo yung acceptable na period to complete the project?
Sa initial discussions namin ni SP, we are hoping that we can move in before the end of 2026. Yun ang hope. So actually, SP is also talking to, I'm not at liberty to ano pa yung groups kasi parang palitan pa lang ng ideas, but he's going to get a professional group to also study yung departments ng personnel departments, functions ng Senate. And remember, it's different now running the GSIS Senate offices from a building with 4 towers. So even yung pinaka-mayor mo doon or building administrator, pag-aaralan namin yung office niya, no? So we're studying everything including for example, 'di ba, yung kung may ID ka na Senate at papasok ka or yung time card mo. So usually yan sa personnel, but of course the security has to be the one to issue the card and also monitor. So we're studying all of that together now, no?
So, magkano tayo ibaba, sir, yung projected total building cost?
Yeah, I really apologize, Sally, kasi nga yun pa yung pinag-aralan na namin ngayon, and that price kasi will depend on options, no? So for example, yung San Baffles, kung sasabihin yung isa 900,000, yung isa 2 billion, isa 3 billion, then we have to show all senators and say the pros and cons of it. So for example, yung option na discover ko na hindi nga ni-reveal sa atin lahat during the hearings, maganda at mas mura yung materials. But because iba yung materials, you have to put certain things on the building para maisabit doon. So kung yung materials lang ng San Baffle, mas mura. Pero yung total cost, kasi nga kakabitan mo, mas nagmamahal. Di ba? So there are things like that. And then, yun nga, di ba, medyo dun sa pinakitang 10 billion sa inyo